napansin ko po na isa lang po ang hindi ko mapagkakaila. There is only one thing that I cannot deny. Ask me that, what's that one thing? So many people helped me where I am right now. At hindi ko may kakaila na hindi totoo yung sinasabi nilang, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the self-made person. Because there's no such thing. You can never be self-made. Hindi ka naman lumabas sa hangin. Lumabas ka ba sa hangin? Somebody help you. At hindi aakalain ni Michelangelo na sa murang edad kong ito, mura pa po ito. Maliit na po ako kasi ganito lang ako nung pinanganak ako. Parang lumpiang Shanghai, inaalog po ako ng nanay ko. Akala po niya, lumpiang Shanghai po ako. Ang crib ko po noon, posporo. Nalito po siya kasi kung tao ba ako o gagamba, ano po. Pero hindi ko po akalain na maaabot ni Michelangelo ang maaabot niyang meron ngayon. Marami nagtatanong sa akin, Sir, paano ba kayo nagtagumpay? Wala ba kayong problema? Who told you? I came from a broken family. Ang tatay ko po, hindi sumakabilang buhay, nasa kabilang bahay lang. Not just that, I was even a battered child. Because my father got confused whether I'm a human being or a shrimp. That's why he battered me. To, pang matalino yung joke. And you would not believe, at the age of 9 years old, I have experienced how to sell basahan in the streets of Bayan of Aliches just to have baon. Not just that, I even experienced how to beg in the streets just to have baon. I was begging in Bayan of Aliches, alms, give me a piece of bread. Siyempre, pag tula, mukhang mas malaki bigayin. At maraming taong hindi makapaniwala, paano ko daw naabot ang layo na, sabi ng barkada ko, pare ang layo na narating mo, totoo naman, umabot na ako ng Baguio, Tugigaraw, malayo yun. Lalo kung lalakarin mo, 5 days yun. Pero paano ko naabot yun sa gitna ng lahat ng problema ko? Isa lang ho ang pinaniwalaan ko. Tanungin niyo ako ano? Life is a choice, period. Pakiulit nga. Life is a choice, period. Kita niyo katangahan niyo, ha? Pati period, inulit niyo, ha? Yes, do you want to be successful? Do you want to be happy? Yung mga hindi sumagot, simula ngayon, lugmo kayo hanggang mamatay kayo, ha? Do you want to be successful? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to reach your dreams? Well, choose it. You have to make that choice. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. No matter how you feel. Hindi ko akalain na maaabot ko yon. At hindi imposible yon sa taong magdidesisyong maabot niya. Let me talk to you. Kung gusto niyo maging matagumpay, at gusto niyong yumaman at maging magaling, don't forget that you are here in the school to study, not to compete, but to learn. At the end of the day, it's about discovering who you are. Kung tatanungin niyo ako paano nagtagumpay si Kuya Michael, isa lang ang totoo, pinaniwalaan kong I was meant and I was born for a reason. Sabi ni Mark Twain, there are only 2 greatest moments in our life. Number 1, the moment that you were born. That's the first greatest moment. But the second greatest moment is the moment you have discovered the reason. Maraming taong pinanganak pero hindi nila natagpuan kung bakit sila naririto sa mundong ito. Si Kuya Michael, bakit nagtagumpay lahat ng negosyo ko, lahat ng trabaho ko? Dahil natagpuan ko kung anong gift ko, communication. Bibig na naging tao ako. So dapat, kung nasaan ang talent ko, nandoon ang trabaho ko. Dahil pag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, it's like playing. Nung minsan naalala ko, inimbita ako ng San Miguel Corporation, sabi sa akin ng presidente ng brewery, I like you, I saw you in TV. Don't worry, we will pay you. But can I ask you a personal question? Do you still give free talks and free endorsements? Sabi ko, of course, seminarista ako, hindi naman ako mukhang pera. I still give free talks for God and for country. Now let me ask you, sir, are you God? No. Are you country? No, may bayad, ha? Wala siya sa category. But my point is this, once you have found your passion, pursue it. Because maybe that's where God wants you to excel. The problem is you're so busy with other things that are not important. Tanungin niyo ako, saan? Una ko anong sinasabi ng ibang tao, pakialam nila sa inyo. Don't mind them. At the end of the day, it's between you and your God. If you know you're doing something good, you are not making a pay of other people. Nax, making a pay, no? Hindi ko agad matranslate, nalito ko eh. Making a pay with other people, it's okay. Just pursue it. People will backstab you. Just enjoy it. Because it only tells you one thing, you're in front of them. Kaya ka nga binabackstop, nasa harap ka. People will pull you down. Just enjoy the pulling. Because it only tells you one thing, you're above them. Kaya ka nila hinahatak. Yung nangahatak na yan, kahit anong hatak niya, hanggang baba na lang siya. Chichismis ka, pag chinismis ka, isa lang ang totoo, sikat ka. Imagine mo, 2 oras na mga pangit na yun, ikaw lang ang pinag-uusapan. Wala ata silang ginagawa, bayaan mo na ikaw pagtripan nila at ito lang. Pag ikaw ay siniraan at walang katotohanan, don't be afraid, don't be sad. Kasi hindi naman ikaw naipakilala. Ang naipakilala niya ay sarili niya. Kung anong klaseng tao siya. Let me leave you 3 things. Okay lang ba? 3 bagay. Para madali niyong tandaan. Let me give you 3 points that will not just guide you in your workplace, but will guide you in your life. Are you ready? Sabihin niyo, I'm ready. Ask your seatmate, are you ready? Number 1, have focus. That's the problem with people. Lack of focus. What's your goal? Nung ako ay 15 years old, I said to myself, I will make my first million at the age of 20. That's what I said. It did not happen. Because when I reached the age of 20, I did not make my first million. I made my first millions. I have a goal. Anong ginawa ko? I learned from other people's mistakes. Mas less costly yan eh. Pag narinig mo na kasing, mali na yun, tanga ka na pag inulit mo pa yon. You get it? Your greatest asset is your being young. Because you could fail now and rise immediately. Ako, sabi ko sa mga tao, don't be afraid to fail. Do you want to succeed? Well, sometimes you have to fail. The greatest lessons in life are never learned in successes. They are learned in failures. Don't be afraid to commit mistakes. Kaya nga, mistake, it means you miss a good take. Retake. Just don't repeat the same mistake. And don't be afraid to fail because you're afraid of rejection. For me, rejections are preparations. Dati wala naman pumapansin kay Michelangelo. Nung inaalok ko ang sarili ko magsalita sa mga kumpanya, ito lang ang tanong nila, sino ba yung batang yan? Nagsimula ako as a public speaker, nagsalita ako sa 10 matatandang Legion of Mary. Yung 5 natutulog pa. Yung 5 palingon-lingon. Yung isa doon pinayaran ko, umuwi, dinaya pa ako. Walang pumapansin sa akin. But I said to myself, siguro kaya walang kumukuha sa akin, God in life wants me to prepare more. So I prepared. Because when the right opportunity came, I will seize that day. Maraming tao na hindi kilala noon, pero ngayon ay kilala na. Wala sa edad ang tagumpay. Maaring kayo ay may kapwentong gaya ko. Your past will never define your future. It's you. Have focus. Kung ikaw ay estudyante, your work is to study. Focus. Life is short. Don't look at me when I say short. It offends me. Focus. Don't forget one thing. You were created in the image and likeness of God. So impossible is not in your vocabulary. Walang anak ng Diyos na hindi niya kayang abutin. Sabi niya, paano naman ako? Ang dami kong pinagdadaan ng problema. Yun na yun. Kung may pinagdadaanan kang problema, dumaan ka lang, huwag kang tumambay. Kaya nga pinagdadaanan. Alam nyo, yung problema natin, walang-wala sa problema ng mga may cancer. Walang makain. Number 2, matatapos na ako. Have an attitude of gratitude. I want to remind people that at the end of the day, everything is but a blessing. Be grateful. When you look at these people like MVP, those people who have reached the peak of their careers, there is one attitude that they have. They always possess gratitude. They always wake up with this sense of gratitude. Dapat marunong tayong magpasalamat. May nagtanong sa akin, Sir, bakit maraming taong malulungkot? Ewan ko, trip nila yun, bayaan mo sila. Kung gusto nila mag-iiyak, bayaan mo sila. Pero bakit maraming taong malulungkot? Tanungin niyo ako, bakit? Kasi ito yung mga taong walang ginawa, kundi bilangin yung mga bagay na wala sila. It's your paradigm. The word paradigm came from the Greek term paradigma, which means pattern. Change your pattern of thinking. Always look at the blessing. Tingnan mo kung ano yung meron, hindi yung wala. Magiging masaya ka. Ang problema sa'yo, napaka-reklamador mo. You always complain. Pag mainit, it's hot. Pag malamig, it's cold. Sana naging uod ka na lang? Yung uod, hindi nararamdaman kung ano yung ginagawa sa kanya. Pag ang ulam isda, nagre-reklamo ka, fish again, hoy, bago mo sabing isda na naman, ikaw ba naramdaman mo yung naramdaman ng isda nung pinrito siya? Magbalik kayo ng isda, ikaw ang iprito, at sabihin ng isda, tao na naman, no? Mapapatay mo yung galunggong na yan. Bago ka magreklamong lumang sapatos mo, why not talk to a person with no legs at all? So that you understand what you're talking about. May umiyak ako estudyante, sir, kababae ko punta, wala akong dibdib, kapatid. Kung babae ka at flat-chested ka, mapalad ka sapagkat ang likod mo, dibdib mo ay iisa. Di ba? Di ba? Kahit umikot ang ulo mo, parang wala lang. Huwag ka lang maglalakad, paatras siya. Pero, kung lalaki ka at payat ka, mapalad ka rin dahil pag nagkasakit ka, hindi ka na kailangang x-ray, flashlight lang. Kita na agad ang sakit mo. Pare, may TB ka. Di ba? Have an attitude of gratitude. Be grateful to God, to life, to your parents, to your teachers, to those people who will support you. Don't forget them. Lastly, before I end, three, remain humble. Can you please repeat? Remain humble. Look at MVP. Very humble. Ayaw daw niya ma-include sa Forbes list, pero hindi mo naman kailangan ma-include doon para maging mayaman. Nagsimula sa pagsakay sa jeep, but he never forgets where he came from. Do not be ashamed to tell your story of hardship, of struggle, of asking for help. Make yourself always humble. Dahil wala naman tayo may pagmamalaki. Lahat ng meron tayo ay hiram lang. May nagtanong sa akin, Michael, buti hindi lumalaki ulo mo kahit pasikat ka na ng pasikat. Sabi ko, hindi mangyayari yon. Hindi praktikal. Maliit ang katawang ko. Kung malaki ang ulo ko at ang liit ng katawang ko, anong itsura ko nun? Mukha kong lollipop, microphone, water dispenser, lobo at lampshade. Bakit hindi lalaki ang ulo ni Michelangelo kahit alam ko may talent ako na galing sa Diyos? Tanongin niyo ako, bakit? Dahil isa lang ang totoo, I'll get old. And when I'm old, nobody will invite me. Nobody will get me. Because Michelangelo is old. Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be happy at work? Yes. Isa lang ang tanggapin nyo. Darating yung panahon, papalitan ka. Sabi nyo isa, ba yan, kapapasok ko lang, papalitan agad. Tanungin nyo ako, bakit? Kasi pag nilagay mo sa isip mo yon, na darating yung panahon, may papalit sa'yo, wala kang sasayanging oras. You will do what you need to do. And you will not do it tomorrow. You will do it today. Be humble. Lahat ng meron tayo ay hiram lang. Don't forget God. Be humble in front of all. Huwag kayong mga api ng tao. Dahil baka hindi mo akalain yung inapi mong kaklase mo, utangan mo yan in the near future. Be kind to people, whoever you meet, because you don't know the battles that they are in. Be humble. Naalala ko, nung ako ay elementary, high school, inaapi lang ako ng mga kaklase ko. Dahil ako yung pinakamaliit at pinaka-cute. Is that a sin? To be cute? Ang ginagawa ng mga klase ko, tinutulak ako sa pader, iniikot. Alam niyo yung laro ng mga magkakaklase, iikot ka hanggang mahilo ka, tapos patatayuin ka, hindi ka makatayo habang nagtatawanan ng mga demonyo. Pag nag-i-English ako, binabato ko ng papel dahil mali-mali ang English ko, ultimo kalabaw, nagwo-walk out. Sa sama ng English ko. But I said to myself, I will pursue speaking English, even it's wrong grammar, because that's the only way for me to learn the language. Ito na lang ang sinabi ko sa sarili ko. Siyempre, di ko masabi sa kanila, dinabugbog pa ako noon. Sabi ko, okay lang yan, napihin nyo na ako ngayon, ganito na lang. Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa first alumni homecoming. Tapos, magkumparahan tayo ng buhay. You know, when I attended the first alumni homecoming, I was the famous guy because I attended the wrong batch. Sabado pala kami, Friday ako dumating. Sabi ko, sino kayo? Sino ka rin? Ano bang batch nyo? Mali pala. But kidding aside, when I attend the alumni homecoming, I was the famous kid because I did not just attend. I was the guest speaker and the guest of honor. At alam nyo, nung tumayo na ako sa stage, itong sinabi ko sa kanila, well. Malipisin, ano? Maldito, no? Sabi ko sa kanila, classmates, it's so nice to see all of you. It's so nice to stand in front of you. Kasi pangit naman kung nakahiga ako magsasalita. Homecoming to, hindi naman to massage, di ba? Sabi ko sa kanila, it's so nice to see all of you. And I want you to know that I miss all the mischievous things you did to me. And I say this with love and joy and fondness because it is only now that I realize that God has used you to bring me where I am right now. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na sa taong may magandang pananaw sa buhay, masayahin, may pangarap, at mabuti ang kalooban kahit papaano, walang masasamang karanasan na hindi niya kayang gamitin sa kanyang kadakilaan. Don't forget your humble beginnings. Don't forget your story.